What is up, you guys? It's your girl Snide Diamonds here, and I'm back with another video. This is the first time you see my face on your screen. Make sure you guys go ahead, give this video a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check out my previous videos if you haven't already. So yeah, I am going to be reviewing these. I was going to do them separately, but I'm like, it would be more better to do both, because then that way the video is a little bit longer. So yeah, but I'm going to start off with this first before we get to the Bratz. So this is the Pink Frosting Lip Kit, Lip Liner and Tinted Hydrogen Lip Gloss Duo. This is how the packaging looks like. I forgot what this collection is called, but there's more things from this collection. Yeah, there's more things from this collection that I want. So yeah, there's so many lip kits I want, y'all, from this brand. But let me just take it out. So this is the color right here in the bottom. Let me give you guys a swatch. This is it right here. Ooh, very soft. Open this. Girl, what to say? Not gonna open for me, like. Whoop. Oh, it did fall on me. So this is it right here. Really pretty and shimmery. Alright, so let's put this on. I've seen some people kind of blend the liner in. Well, most people for the most part blend it in, you know. I think that's enough. Ooh. It looked like way more pink in the videos. Maybe I mixed it in too much with the liner. Well, this is what's given. Looks a little bit sticky though. You guys see that? I didn't really see that in people's videos that it was giving that. So I don't know what's going on with that. Yeah, I don't know. It's a little better now. I don't know. I don't know if my lip, because my lip is dry or something. But yeah, that is very pretty. Love that. Right, it's now time for the Bratz. Alright, so I looked at it in another lighting. I can actually see the pink. When I use like the TikTok camera, y'all, I could see the pink and the brown a lot better. But it's very nice. Now it's time for the Bratz one, so let me wipe this one off. I'll wipe that off. Alright. Okay. Now this one. Oh my goodness. I have dust on it with glue. Right. is what you're getting. I can take it out if anything. So her lip liner is more like a purple color. A little nervous for this one. That's her lip liner, so let me put that on. Where is my mirror? Wow. Everything just wants to fall today too. Alright. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys the bag. So hers is Going Out Yasmin. As you know, her nickname is Pretty Princess. Her style tip is thrifting is a great way to find unique pieces and experiment. Favorite going out activity is froyo breaks with all the toppings. I don't even know what that is. And it says turn heads with the Going Out Yasmin lip kit, a flirty lip combo with a bit of sass. The Going Out Yasmin lip kit includes a rich premium lip liner, a creamy rich premium lipstick, high shine gloss, irresistible glass like finish. So kind of like the Shasha one, basically. Cute captivity and effortless chicks, so Yasmin coated. So okay, it takes time to look good, it says. So okay, let me see how this lipstick is looking. Okay, I guessing this is the shade, maybe not, but look how gorgeous. Okay, it's not the shade, but oh my god, and it has, maybe I can see that, it has a Pretty Princess thing on it, it has the Bratz thing on it. Okay, oof. Okay, I put it, I gotta start like pouting my lip like that, because I think it took off the liner. I don't know, y'all. I feel about this color. Being personal, I'm gonna pop more a little bit. Okay. I didn't even swatch it for you guys. Oh my god. This is the color. Yeah, I don't know, Yasmin is also one of my favorite characters from Bratz. Here's the gloss. Okay, so her looks like, ooh, looks like an iridescent. It has like some purple in there. There we go. Okay. Let me know what y'all think. I don't know how I feel about this color on me, but wait, I think it's coming together. Hold on. Okay, not so bad, not so bad. Okay, kind of like that. But yeah, that is the Yasmin lip kit. It's not doing that sticky thing, which I'm glad it's not. Yeah, that's just cute. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like this one, or do y'all like the other one? Or do y'all like the Sasha lip kit, I should say. I like the Sasha lip kit a lot more. Like the color option they had with her. So, that's that one. But yeah, it feels very nice and comfortable on the lips. Very lightweight. But yeah. So that is it, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, comment, share, subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.